Does the pull and push technique really work on an ex? Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Comment, your relationship expert. In today's video, I want to talk about this technique, the push and pull. And why does it work on an ex? The answer that I want to give you, it's really simple. It works with every human. It works with everyone. If you can do it in the right way, you will have results with your boss, with your family, with your friends, and with your ex. Why? Because it's a human technique. Because it's a technique that works with every human mind. It's easy. Your ex will never understand why you don't love him or her. Why do you have changed now and not before? What happens if tomorrow you find someone? Your ex will be scared about that. So by using the techniques of the push, which is communication, smiling, having good time together, and pull, which is dedicate some time to yourself, your ex will be scared to lose you. Your ex will say, I was waiting for someone like you. And now what should I do? So the push and pull techniques is really powerful because you're playing a little bit hot and cold. Hot when there is the chemistry between you two. Cold when you're just looking at your personal life, working on yourself, just be focusing on your life. This is what everyone is missing in the process of getting back their ex. You're always thinking, what should I do? What should I say? How can I react? How can I make sure that my ex is still loving me? But you are always forgetting about the other part, about yourself. I know it's scary. I know you don't want to give your ex the time to find someone else. I understand this completely. But the push and pull techniques is so powerful. So if you can do it in the right way, you will get your ex back. You will get your ex back because you will become the best version of yourself and because your ex will be scared to lose you. In order to do that, it's really important to never do the first step. Never do the first step. Your ex has to come to you. You need to rebuild your personal life and show everything that you have done so far. New activities, work on your emotions, work on your body, everything that you can do that will give you results. This is something really important. And the push and pull techniques, it's not that hard. It's just something that can make your ex realize how amazing you are. And the problem is that today, you're not taking this time. You're just pushing for the process of getting back together. But your ex needs more time. So it's really important for you to understand that there is techniques that can give you results. But you need to make sure that you will change. You need to make sure that you can control these emotions. So the push and pull technique is really powerful because your ex will start chasing you. It's not you getting back with him or getting back with her. It's your ex chasing you. Chasing you because you have changed and because you have created some emotions in their mind. Positive emotions and distance can make sure that your ex will still love you. I know it's not easy, so if you want to book a private coaching session with you, I can manage your situation. I can help you, but I can manage your situation. So come on the website withmyexagain.com. First, you have tons of articles. Second, you can book a private coaching session with me. And together, we can change your love life because you will be able to use the push and pull techniques in the right way. If you have any question about your situation, please leave a comment just right below, give me a like, and subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. Together, we can make sure that you will get back with the one you love. Together, we can make sure that your ex will be crazy about you. And this is what you want. And this is what you deserve. So remind you, the push and pull techniques is working very well with every human. It takes a little bit of time, but it gives you the result that you want. I will see you soon for a new video. Bye bye guys.